This is a brand new 2026 Armor Lite belly dump trailer, now available at Midco Sales in Chandler, Arizona. Built for the toughest aggregate jobs, this trailer brings strength, volume, and reliability together in one lightweight trailer. Measuring 40 feet long and 96 inches wide, this belly dump delivers a hefty 23.5 cubic yard capacity, ideal for gravel, sand, asphalt, or rock. The hopper is made from high-strength steel. It's built to take abuse and keep hauling. You'll also find 16-gauge corrugated steel sides and 10-gauge front and rear slopes, all engineered for structural longevity. The gate opening is a wide 54 by 108 inches, giving you fast, efficient unloading with minimal hang-up. And the gate's powered by 8-inch air cylinders, backed by a 60-gallon reservoir and an integrated water trap for smooth and consistent operation. Underneath, this trailer rides on Ridewell air ride suspension with Tandem 25,000-pound axles, paired with cast drum brakes and an ABS system, giving this trailer dependable stopping power. Armor Lite didn't cut corners here. You're looking at 11 R22.5 tires, chip and cut resistant, mounted on polished aluminum outers and steel inner wheels. It's a sharp setup that's as durable as it is good looking. Up top, you've got an electric flip tarp system with a front header that keeps everything tight and weather resistant. Other details include bolt-on front and rear aluminum fenders, 4x4 drop leg landing gear, and a fixed rear push block. This Armor Lite belly dump trailer is built for serious work with premium components and proven performance. Call Midco Sales today or visit midcosales.com for more information.